Hey everyone, welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke and a big follower shout out. Let's get started.
Singable Words.
The word is
elaborate.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Elaborate is involving many carefully arranged parts or details. It means complicated, it means complex, but not simple and plain.
But wait! Here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Detailed, fancy, decorative.
Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Basic, ordinary, normal.
Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the elaborate elephant bring a ladder to the library? The books were on another level. Now let's use it in a sentence.
The lady's dress was way too elaborate for a casual dinner.
Now let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
Like when I was with it, how we learned a bunch of new words that we didn't even know in our lives. Singable Words!